Hello, welcome back to my channel. My name is Juliet and today's video will be all about opening up some boxes, aka unboxings, or as I like to call it, reveals. So I have a few items I want to open on camera, and this includes an item that is very special, a birthday item. So let's get into it. We start from work our way up or down. Okay, start from the first box. I've not opened this, so it's more of a real-time unboxing. Fast forward all this. Oopsie. Okay, I need to be more gentle. This is a little too rough. So this is from Harrods. Let's see. It's a little item. Okay, the first one is a hairbrush. Yes, a hairbrush. I got absolutely tired of using the hairbrush I have, and there's something about the way it brushes the hair that annoys me. You know, when you're using something and it doesn't feel very good as you're using it. It feels, I don't know how to explain it, but it just wasn't aligning with the way I want to feel when I'm using things. It wasn't just gelling. So I decided to go and look for another brush, a good quality. Ooh, I like that. Okay, let's do this properly. So this brush is from Mason Pearson.
Let's watch TV. Yay! It's fun to watch TV.
Yes. My son. Okay. This is from Mason Pearson, and I'm loving the packaging already. So how did I discover this brush? I just typed good quality hair brushes, and this was one of the brands that came up in the list. So I researched into it, watched a few YouTube videos just to get to understand the brand, and I loved what I read and I loved what I saw. I said, okay, let's give it a try. So that's the brush. It's just let's. A lot of distractions. Okay, so now on to the next one. This is very hard. Okay, this is a very hard bristle. It's very firm, hard firm. Okay, that's something noticeable. Now the second one, hold on, is airbrush from Charlotte Tilbury. Now this, I've been looking for a pocket, something I can have in my handbag for when I'm out and about, for my face. A brush, a powder brush I can use for my face, because sometimes my face do get oily sometimes, and it's nice to have something I can just use and smoothen out my makeup. So as I was scrolling, I came across this, and what I love about this is the fact that it has a cover, because the most ones I've been looking at didn't come with a cover, so they were just open, and I didn't like it. So oh, I like that. This is a real-time unboxing, by the way, so that's it. Oh, I like that. I like that it's retractable. Ooh, that feels very soft. That feels very soft, like something you will use on a baby. Oh, that's nice. That's lovely. So that's it, a pocket brush for my handbags. Be with me all the time. I love that. From Charlotte Tilbury. Okay, and I got this. There is 10% off rewards on Harrods at the moment, so it was nice to get a bit of discount, unexpected discounts. Like, oh yeah. Okay, the next box is, oh, where do I keep this? Okay, let me just keep this here for now. It's this box. This is from Selfridges. I know what is in this box. So my daughter is having a Holy Communion soon, so this is the dress I hope to wear. Not even I hope to, I am going to wear. I use the word hope because I haven't tried on the dress, so I'm hoping that it fits and everything. So this is a dress I hope to wear for the Holy Communion. Yeah, for the Holy Communion. So that's it. I haven't brought it out of the box yet, so this is my first time seeing it. I will insert a clip with a picture, an image of it, because I'm not going to try it on now. Oh, it's very rumpled. Ooh. I'll insert a picture of it because this unboxing isn't going to. It's a long white dress to go with the theme Holy Communion, and it comes with a cape at the back. I'll be looking very regal, if I'm to borrow my daughter's words. And that's it. Woo. I'll insert a picture so that way you can see exactly what the dress looks like. It looks very nice, I must say. It looks very nice. My husband was saying something along the lines of, you're the only one that's going to be, everybody's going to be looking at you. It's like, oh yeah, why not? Okay, what other thing here? Nothing else. And okay, there's something behind me. Yes, this is a packet of hand creams from the Rituals. I got this from, these are the things I got recently as well. This was a gift. So 4 hand creams from Rituals. These are perfect for the handbag, and it comes in different flavors as scents. Oh god. Oh well, one is in my handbag at the moment, so that's that. My brain flavors. Okay. All right. I'm just need to chill. Which other one is this? Okay, this is a book. This is a book I got from a friend. This actually, I love this book because I'm dreaming of getting an MS Reckon someday, like everybody. Well, not like everybody, but for myself. And she got me this book as a way of supporting my dream. I love it, honestly, I do. I'm just like one step closer. Anyway, that's that. Now, onto the main item on the list, I think, for me anyway, is this beautiful bag from Tiffiany & Co. Yes. Oh. Ta-da! I love the packaging. This has been sitting down for almost how many? Almost 2 weeks now. Now, oh, I don't want to tear this. I don't want to rip. I don't want to like remove this ribbons. Because once I do, I can tie it back. I just love the packaging. Anyway, I'm gonna have to remove it, don't I? Okay, let's stop wasting time. Actually, it's not a waste of time. Absolutely not a waste of time. No. Okay. And I just feel like this deserves its own moment. Oh, I love this. Oh my god. Oh. I need to bring myself back into the camera to see so you can see my reactions. Oh my god, this is stunning. Okay, bring it out. And oh my god, the packaging is just luxurious. Okay. And oh, and oh my god, this is stunning. Oh, I love it. I haven't seen this since I got it from the store. It's so beautiful. Clutching my pearls. Oh my god. I love it. Okay, that's it. I think this is where this unboxing is going to end. I need to just take my time and admire the beauty, appreciate this. I hope I'm going to wear this, enjoy it in good health and sound mind. Physical health, mental health, every form of health for a very, very, very long time. Amen. Amen. Oh, I'm grateful to have this. Anyway, that's it for this video. Thank you for watching. Thank you for watching. Until next time, stay sassy. Please like, subscribe, and let's grow. If you like all things luxury, everyday luxury, normalizing luxury in any way we can, be it in form of lighting a candle, whatever, just little pleasures of life is what I like to call them. Be it a brush, be it sipping a cup of tea slowly. Okay, thank you for watching. See you next. Oh, I love it. It's really perfect.